On this Kid Safari, we're going to teach you about all the planets in our solar system drawn by chalk. The sun has solar flares. It's a huge ball of burning gas, and this is a solar flare. Every now and then, solar flares come out and they make the Earth hotter. Next, we have Mercury. Even though Mercury's the closest planet to the sun, it's not the hottest planet. Venus is. The heat of the sun gets trapped in its atmosphere, and then it makes the planet hotter, about 800 degrees.
So it's hotter because of the atmosphere, huh?
Yes.
And because of Stellan stepping on it. You just crushed Venus!
Next, we have the beautiful planet Earth.
Silly, wasn't this your favorite planet?
Yeah,
Why is Earth your favorite planet?
because it has all the living creatures.
That's right. So far, we have never found another planet with living creatures, but they're all over Earth, huh?
Stop.
Silly, you just crushed us.
Stop.
No, you didn't. No, I didn't.
So tell us about it.
So Earth has lots of glaciers.
There's glaciers, blue skies,
And it's
And there-
even called a Goldilocks planet.
because it's just right distance from the sun.
That's right.
Next we
wait,
have-
what is that white dot around it?
Oh,
That is the orbit with the moon.
this is the
Oh.
orbit with the moon. It goes all the way around it in only about 27 days. Not quite a month, but almost a month. It's about 27 days.
That's cool.
And
Next,
now
we
we have
have the
Mars.
asteroid
No,
belt.
we don't.
Not yet. Spoiler alert. First,
We have Mars. We can see Mars from Earth.
and is it really that red?
Yes.
Do you
It's
know
a
why-
really bright star in the sky.
It's not a
Planet.
star.
But it is a planet.
Mars has a huge volcano named Olympus Mons.
When crushing Mars.
How big is that volcano?
That volcano is 3 times the size of Mount Everest.
That's huge.
I don't know. Mount Everest goes up to the clouds. It's about where airplanes fly. There's another thing. Do you know why Mars is red? I've wondered that, like, for a long time. It's because all the iron in the core of it, there's all this iron packed inside it. And since it's been there for like hundreds of thousands of years, the iron has gotten rusty. And you know how metal, over like 1,000 years gets rusty and it turns red, yellow, black. That's why inside of it, it turns yellow, red, and black. Next we have the asteroid belt. It's a belt because it stretches across Jupiter and Mars.
Between Jupiter and Mars.
Between Jupiter and Mars.
Yeah. But it goes all the way around the sun, huh?
Yeah.
Making a bigger loop than even what the orbit of Mars is.
We couldn't make it go around the sun because of our hot tub and right there.
Yeah.
Did anyone
But we made it look like it went across here.
Yeah, that's
Did
great.
anyone forget the Kuiper belt?
I know what the Kuiper belt is. It's farther than Neptune.
We'll get there
Not
then.
farther than Pluto.
No, not farther than Pluto.
Okay.
Pluto is way over
So what's past the asteroid belt?
here we have Jupiter. Here's a fact about Jupiter.
It's the
This
biggest
red spot-
planet in our solar system.
The biggest planet in our solar system. That's
And
right.
also, that spot you see there is real on real Jupiter. This is just
Saturn was
chalk.
kind of bigger
So that spot
This-
is what?
Jupiter.
This is a storm that's been running on Jupiter for over 400 years.
And how many Earths could fit in that storm? Do you remember?
Three, but it could fit Earth. It could fit 300 in the whole thing of it.
300 Earths inside of Jupiter, 3 Earths inside of the spot. How many Earths can fit inside the sun?
1,300,000.
1,300,000 Earths can fit inside the sun. So clearly, this isn't quite to scale.
Yeah, but really, 1,300,000 would be smaller than like this little dot.
Right. We had to be able to draw it, so.
Yeah, because we can't draw 1,300,000th the size of the sun.
Well
We can't
said.
draw that small. Here comes Saturn. Saturn's, you see these rings? Those are real Saturn. It's made out of gas, but these rings are made out of like asteroids, but like the asteroid belt, but here there's like rocks and dust and ice and even gas all lined up in this ring that goes all the way around it.
Wow, so cool.
Here's Uranus. It's gas too. Uranus, people say Uranus is on its side, and it is. Its ring goes like this. If Saturn were tilted like this, Uranus is like this. Here's its ring, and here's it. It goes like all the way sideways.
And it rotates on its sideways, right?
Yes.
That's so crazy.
Here we have Neptune. I have a big fact about this.
Okay.
This one is not only made out of gas, it's made out of gas, ice, wind, hydrogen.
And it has many storms.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's a dark, spooky, mysterious planet because it's so far away from the sun.
So, this one is really far away from the sun, but isn't there something a little further?
Yeah, way further.
All right, let's show.
This in shock to fit in our backyard. Pluto would be all the way over here. That's really far.
And
It's icy and cold.
I think that was just art from a different time.
Yeah.
So Pluto is actually really, really, really far away, huh?
It's like negative 1,000 degrees. It's so cold there. Really cold. And it's so tiny too. It's the tiniest one.
And it's not the only planetoid, right?
What's a
Or
planet?
dwarf planet?
Oh yeah. There's another one named Sirius, and I can't remember the
There's
others.
one that's Maki, right?
Yeah, Make, and there's like 5 more, but I can't remember all the names for now.
But this is really good. You guys did a great job teaching everybody about the planets in our solar system and neat little facts about them. You guys are learning so much.
I stepped on Pluto.
Oh no!
Thanks for watching Kids Safari.
Make sure
To explore your world and other worlds.
Like an astronaut?
Yeah, an astronaut.
Yeah.
I want to be an astronaut when I grow up.
All right. Bye, everyone.
Bye.